Want to hang curtains but don't have a rod? Maybe you're renting on a tight budget or just don't want to drill holes in your wall. No worries. This video has got you covered. Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you 5 smart and super easy ways to hang curtains without using a rod. These tricks are perfect for renters, students, or anyone who wants a simple, damage-free solution. All of these methods are budget-friendly, beginner-friendly, and need little to no tools at all. So even if you've never done a DIY project before, you'll be able to pull these off with no problem. Ready to upgrade your windows without the hassle of rods? Let's get started. 1. Use Adhesive Command hooks. Adhesive hooks, like command hooks, are one of the easiest and most popular ways to hang curtains without using a rod. They're perfect for people who rent, live in dorms, or just don't want to drill holes in their walls. These hooks come with a sticky back. All you need to do is peel off the paper, press the hook firmly onto a clean, dry wall or window frame, and wait for a few minutes so it sticks properly. Once the hooks are in place, you can hang the curtain using curtain rings, fabric loops, or even clip-on curtain hooks. Just attach the top of your curtain to each hook. Space them evenly across the top of your window so the curtain hangs nicely. Pro tips: use at least 3 to 4 hooks for wider windows to support the curtain's weight evenly. Make sure the hooks are level so your curtain doesn't hang crooked. These hooks work best with light to medium weight curtains. Heavy drapes might fall off or pull the hooks down. When removing them, pull the adhesive strip straight down to avoid damaging the wall. This method is super simple, damage-free, and it looks clean and modern when done right. 2. Tension rod between walls or inside frame. A tension rod is a great no-drill option if your window is set inside a frame or between 2 close walls. It's a spring-loaded rod that holds itself up by pressure, so you don't need nails, screws, or glue. To use it, you simply twist or pull the rod to make it slightly longer than the space between the 2 surfaces. Then, press it firmly into place until it stays tight. It's quick to install and easy to remove without leaving any marks. Once your rod is in position, slide your curtain through it using rings, loops, or a pocket-style curtain top. Helpful tips: works best with light to medium weight curtains. Make sure the rod is tight and level so it doesn't slip or fall. Ideal for small windows, bathroom windows, or even closets. Available in different sizes and colors to match your decor. Tension rods are reusable, super affordable, and take less than a minute to set up. Perfect for quick curtain fixes. 3. Try Velcro strips for a clean look. Velcro strips offer a simple and clever way to hang curtains without any rods, hooks, or visible hardware. This method gives your window a clean, minimal look, perfect for modern or small spaces. Here's how it works. You'll need heavy-duty Velcro strips, the kind with adhesive backing. Stick one side of the Velcro along the top edge of your curtain, and stick the other matching side directly to the wall or window frame where you want the curtain to hang. Once both sides are in place, press them together firmly, and your curtain is up. Why it works well: ideal for lightweight or sheer curtains. Looks very tidy, no hardware is visible. Super easy to remove or adjust if needed. Great for rented spaces or temporary setups. Extra tips: clean the wall surface before applying the Velcro so it sticks better. If the curtain is longer, add extra strips in the middle for support. Avoid using with heavy fabric. It may not hold well. This method is perfect if you want your curtains to blend into the wall or if you're going for a sleek, no-fuss design. 4. Hang curtains on coat hooks or decorative wall knobs. Coat hooks or wall knobs aren't just for jackets. They can also be a stylish way to hang curtains without a rod. Simply install 2 or more hooks or knobs evenly above your window. Then, use curtain loops, fabric ties, or curtain rings to hang your curtain from them. This method adds a unique, decorative touch to the room, especially if you choose knobs with interesting designs or colors. It works well in bedrooms,